Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best LED interior lights for cars in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best LED interior lights for cars that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Xprite LED interior lights for car. You can also consider Xprite and its LED interior lighting option if you are on a tight budget, especially if you are looking for budget-friendly lighting options like this one. The Xprite LED interior light for cars is most likely the best value for money pick out there. This is due to reasons like that it comes as a pack of 4 lights. Although, unlike other LED interior lights for cars, this one has a total of 72 LED bulbs, making it one of the most versatile and bright options out there. Despite having such a high LED count and brightness rating, this LED interior light for car still works over 5-volt current. Because of the included smartphone app, controlling and changing this LED interior light is also quite amazing. Even with its highly affordable price tag, this LED interior light for cars also comes with a 1-year-long warranty, making it perfect for many. Moving on at number 4, we have the OPT7 LED interior lights for car. OPT7 is one of the most premium and high-end brands out there when you are talking about LED lighting options which can be installed in your car, like its LED interior light models. The OPT7 Aura Pro LED interior light for cars is one of the best looking options out there, making it perfect for those who do not have any budget restrictions. As you would expect from such a high price tag, this LED interior light for cars has a total of 4 lights in the box. But the best thing about this LED interior light for cars is that you get a total of 72 LED bulbs for amazing brightness output. Since this LED interior light for cars has a large number of LED bulbs, it relies on 12-volt current for its higher power requirements. Just like most other premium LED interior lights, this one can also be controlled via its smartphone app if needed. Its included 60-day long warranty period is also better than having nothing. At number 3, we have the interior LED interior lights for car. KeepSmile is one of the newest brands out there when you are talking about LED lighting potions, which are not only versatile and practical, but can also be installed in your car with ease. This KeepSmile LED interior light is one of the best options out there if you are looking for something practical. Taking a look at the performance of this LED interior light for cars, you will find a total of 4 lights in the box. Similar to most other LED interior lights for cars out there, this one also comes with a total of 48 LED bulbs. As for other features of this LED interior light for cars, it relies on 12-volt power, requiring you to use your car's cigarette lighter port. While it might not be the easiest to power, it is certainly easy to control thanks to its included smartphone app. And since it also includes a 1-year-long warranty, this LED interior light for cars is also quite durable and reliable. At number 2, we have the Winzwon LED interior lights for car. Winzwon and its LED products are also a viable option, as this is a highly popular option thanks to the various practical LED interior lights for cars that it offers, which are highly feature-rich. This Winzwon LED interior light for cars is present in the 3rd position in this article because it is most likely the best value for money pick given here. Even with the lower price tag, this LED interior light for cars still comes as a pack of 4 lights. But more importantly, you get a total of 48 LEDs with this LED interior light, making it perfect in terms of its brightness output. Moving to the power and control side of things, you will be glad to know that this light is a 5-volt one, allowing you to easily power it over USB. But the best thing about this LED interior light for cars is that despite its entry-level price tag, you still get a smartphone along with it for easily controlling this light. However, if you wish your LED interior light to last for as long as possible, you should look elsewhere since it does not have any included warranty. And finally, at number 1, we have the Govee interior lights for car. Govee is one of the most popular and a highly reputable brand of lighting products since most of the models offered by it are highly feature-rich, just like its LED interior light given here in this list. The Govee LED interior light for cars is present in the first position in this list since this can be the perfect versatile and feature-rich option for many, especially at the given price tag. Starting with the light performance of this interior light, it comes as a pack of 4 lights. With these 4 LED lights, you will find a total of 48 LEDs, which results in fairly decent brightness output for the given price tag. One area where this LED interior light lacks in features is its voltage rating, which happens to be 12 volts, resulting in less versatile power options. Thankfully, this LED interior light is still highly versatile since it comes with a companion smartphone app for controlling it and changing the colors and lighting modes. Since this is a highly reputable brand of LED products, you also get a 1-year-long warranty with it.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.